we're going to do is we're going to take our hot knife that we have here and the rocks that you guys have cut out. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go around it with the hot knife here. I want some wavy lines in there all the way around. Just have some fun with it.
Once our rocks are cut, they're ready for painting.
What we're going to do is you take your rock here, and we've got our great volunteers here, and you want to get a little bit of paint on the brush, but the bottom thing is you don't want to do this because the paint won't get into the crevice.
That's the opposite of what I think you would
That's
do with a
exactly it.
paintbrush.
What you want to do is just get a little paint. I call it smudging. Just get it in the crevice and kind of just rotate it in a circle. Right here what we have is we have our base color. So what we want to do is slowly add the black.
Ooh.
So we want to go ahead and add some black, and we want to mix it in there. And look what happens. You just kind of lay it on the side
Oh, look at that.
so you get to see how deep the color is. You have your squirt bottle, but we're going to use the water from it. And it wants to be a little bit less than melted ice cream. So we all know what melted ice cream looks like. So
I don't know. I probably eat my ice
eat
cream.
before it melts.